We're doing a review on this Comchoi leaf blower. Lightweight, compact. It is pretty compact. Claims 4 amp hours, 21 volts. And I'm just going to go ahead and say this thing is less than desirable. I've used several electric leaf blowers. The battery capacity and I think the design looks cool, but it doesn't move much of anything. I'm going to show you a couple things just so you're aware. So switches here, just roll this button. The assembly is pretty straightforward. You just twist those together and you can change the position of the handle by pushing this button here at the top and twisting the lever around like so. This thing is extremely noisy. I recommend wearing ear protection. And we're just going to use the blower on this vehicle that we just washed to see if we can blow the water off of it. Should be pretty simple. Crank it all the way to full power. Alright, we'll go over here and see if we can blow some of this grass off the driveway. Concrete asphalt drive. There's some pine cones and miscellaneous stuff here.